All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about this Sega Game Gear, another project. The screen's pretty bad, scratched up, so I'll be changing the bezel. So let's go ahead and crank it on. I got power, and I have a game inside. I'm going to see what happens. No sound, so we're going to have to do the caps on the sound, and we got nothing on the screen showing up. A big white blotch right there, so chances are we may have to upgrade the screen, but for now, this should be version VA1 or VA0. I've already taken out the screws, security screw, these guys here, and let's verify. Yep, we have a VA1. So any of these square capacitors that you see right here, same thing as my other videos, we're going to have to replace those bad boys. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. We got about, you got one there, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. Because I've done these in the other videos. I don't see anything leaking, but they're eventually going to leak. So you want to go ahead and just replace them. Let's go ahead and do that now. Just want to show you guys the progress here. I've already taken care of for these three right here. You can see, and they smells like when you start taking these guys off because of they're leaking the capacitor liquid. It starts to smell really bad. Just giving you guys a heads up. All right, so I just want to show you guys on this VA1, I replaced 1, 2, and 3 right there. Replaced that guy, replaced that guy, that guy, that guy, that guy. These are my last two, replaced that guy. I don't have that one. I don't see it too crazy leaking, so I will have to order that one. But these two, I want to show you right here. These two guys right here. Look how much it's leaking. All that stickiness right there. I clean it with alcohol to make sure it doesn't corrode any further your traces. So sound works with the headphones on, but I gotta figure out what's wrong with the amp. Might have to replace the capacitors in that one. But if you get the angle right, you can see some good colors. Let's go. All right, today we're gonna be working on the sound. I'm not getting any sound from the speaker. I am getting sound from the headphones, so we know there is a valid sound output. But let's dig into what's going on here. Pretty cool tool. Really like it. So on the audio board, it's pretty straightforward. You have two 47 microfarads, these guys. Then you have three 100 microfarads, one, two, and three. You know, sometimes you can see capacitors leaking from the top, they'll bulge, but this one did not show that sign. But as soon as I removed the 100, you can see liquid, how the capacitance is leaking. So it's a good idea just to replace them all. Gives you a peace of mind. And just going to put on these two. Remember, when you have a negative side on your capacitance, it does matter. Polarity does matter. So you want to make sure you follow the minus there with the white one right there. So what I do is I just trim them with my cutters, leave about a couple centimeters, spread them out, put some solder on each end, and then put them down. Capacitors are changed on the audio now. The moment of truth. Moment of truth. Got video. Audio seems solid. Besides this blemish, it's actually not bad. It's not a bad looking screen. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Another working device. I took off the bezel because the bezel is scratched, but I'll have to order another clean bezel and most likely a screen. But for now, this is what we have.